We're talking about the impeachment, Yusek, pag-usapan na rin natin yung first impeachment, various grounds enabling and the kidnapping and surrender of former President Rodrigo Duterte, unfit supposedly to serve due to supposed drug addiction as claimed by his sister, Senator Amy. Yung pong tinatawag na yung pinag-uusapan na rin po natin ngayon, unprogrammed appropriations and other unconstitutional provisions na parte po nung 2023 hanggang 2026 budget. Ang nag-file po nito, Attorney Andre De Jesus, for the record, was he ever the lawyer of First Lady Lisa? Supposedly it's a disbarment case against Attorney Glenn Chong.
Yeah, there is this misconception, Pinky. Attorney Andre De Jesus has never been a counsel of First Lady Lisa Marcos. As a matter of fact, Pinky, si First Lady, hindi po ito balat sibuyas. Hindi po ito nagsasampa ng kaso. Kahit ano pong bash ang gawin nyo sa kanya, kahit anong negatibo, kahit fake news ang ibigay nyo sa kanya, hindi po yan nagsasampa ng kaso. I believe Attorney Andre De Jesus just filed the case out of his own volition. Kasi hindi niya nakita, hindi niya nagustuhan yung pambabastos ng mga salita na binanggit ni Attorney Glenn Chong sa ating unang ginang. So he has never been a counsel of First Lady. And he admitted, Pinky, he admitted that he is one or maybe was one of the counsels in the COMELEC issue regarding the PDP laban for Duterte Group. Now that should be the one to be legitimated or considered legitimate